Hello, my great learners. You're welcome once again to my channel. In our lecture today, we're looking at change of subject formula. I'm going to be seeing two interesting questions. The first one here, we're asked to make H the square of the formula. So what do we do here? We take what? We're going to take the square of both sides. And we're doing that in order to eliminate what? The square root. So that gives us V squared equals what? GD 1 plus 3H all over D, now all squared. So the square, we cancel out the square symbol. So we now have V squared equals GD in bracket 1 plus 3H all ratio D. Now to eliminate the GD, what do? We divide both sides. We divide both sides by GD. So if we do that, we're going to have V squared over GD equals, when GD divide the right hand side, GD we add, so we're going to have just 1 plus 3H or ratio what? D left. Then carrying this one to the left hand side, that will now give us V squared over GD minus 1. Then the right hand side we have 3H all over what? Or ratio D. Then from here, if we look for what? Okay. All right. Okay. So to eliminate what now? The D. What do? We're going to multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by D in order to eliminate D from the right hand side. So D will multiply the whole expression here. V squared over GD minus 1. Right hand side 3H over D. D will multiply both sides by D. So D will cancel out D from here. While from here we have dv squared over what? GD, when we open the bracket, when D multiply this, then D times 1, that's D. We have 3H on the right hand side remaining. So from here, D will cancel out D from here. We're left with what? V squared over what? G minus D equals 3H. Now if we look for the LCM of this, the LCM there will be G. G into G is 1 times this, that's V squared. 1 into G is GG times this, that's GD. Then we'll have 3H on the right hand side. Don't forget it's the H we want to insert the formula. So what do? To eliminate the H, our instruction here will now be we should multiply both sides by 1:3 in order to eliminate this. So let's complete that here. So if we multiply both sides 1/3, we're going to have 1:3 multiply V squared minus GD all ratio what? G. And the right hand side we have 3H multiply 1/3. So when this multiply this, we have V squared minus GD all over what? 3G. Then 3 will cancel out 3 from here. Our H is now free. So therefore, the H is what? V squared minus what? GD all over what? 3G. And we've succeeded in making H the subject of the formula. Now, if you've got any value from this very question, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topics like this. Now we're going to go over to the second question, still on subject formula, and see another interesting question on this very subject. All right, so let's see the second question here, which says k is equals to 1 minus a ratio b in bracket b plus 3c all ratio 7. All right, the first thing we have to do here now is to remove the bracket here. So that gives us k equals 1 minus this, multiply this will give us what? Will give us ab all ratio what? 5. This multiply this is going to give us negative, this times this, okay? That's negative what? 3ac all ratio what? All ratio 7. All right. Now moving these two now terms to the left hand side, so that will give us k minus 1 plus what? AB or ratio 5. On the right hand side, we're still going to have what? Our minus 3AC or ratio what? 7. Okay. Then from here, for us to eliminate what now? Eliminate 7, right? We multiply, or to eliminate what? To eliminate the minus 3A and 7 in order to free C, we multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by what? By the reverse of this, which is going to be what? Minus 7 over what? 3a. minus 7 all over 3a. So doing that now, we're going to have minus 7 all raised to 3a multiplies what? K minus 1 plus what? AB all raised to 5. Right hand side minus 3ac all raised to what? 7. Also multiply minus 7 all over what? 3a. So 7 will take care of 7, cancel out 7. 3a will cancel out 3a. Negative also cancel out negative. So we're left with c. So therefore our c there becomes what? Our c is now minus 7 all raised to what? 3a in bracket k minus 1 plus ab all raised to what? All raised to 5. And that becomes the subject formula for what? Well, for c. We've succeeded in making c the subject formula. Okay, so that will be the size of our lecture today on subject formula. So once again, if you've got any value from today's lecture, why not please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on. That's the only way you can get notified when we post interesting topic as the one you just listened to. So until I see you in our next lecture, don't forget this is Maths Theatre TV, and your success is my delight. Peace.